Vechain, in particular, is exchanging at 0.020 in terms of its US dollar rate, with a value movement of 0.48 in the most recent 1 hour in a generally substantial manner, with an expressly all-out market cap of 1429841,101 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of 35,689,689. Amazingly, this makes a chain that is positioned at 37 in the cryptographic money market gorgeous in spite of popular belief if you are a crypto financial backer and considering what actually is the Vechain cost forecast end of 2023. What will Vechain specifically be worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is Vechain a truly wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? Sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking, will that cost by and large outperform its unrivaled kind of high in a genuinely significant manner? These are our Vechain cost expectations for VET's future, or so they in a genuine sense thought. According to the Vechain estimate cost and specialized examination in 2023, the VET cost for the most part is expected to cross a sort of normal value level of 0.023. The normal sort of least value worth of Vechain toward the end of the particularly current year ought to by and large be 0.022, and VET can for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 0.025, which is very critical. Vechain that value anticipation, July 2023 against July 2023 Vechain cost generally is gauged to for the most part arrive at a barely the least cost of 0.018. In every practical sense, the VET costs may practically arrive at a maximum cost of 0.020 with the kind of normal predicted cost around 0.020, which is actually vital for the most part. The value of Vechain August 2023. The kind of regular cost of Vechain that could sort of get to 0.020 toward August 2023 in a really important ways finish that could sort of trade around a really greatest worth of 0.021 with the particularly least predicted cost of 0.019 or so they particularly thought expected value of Vechain. The cost of Vechain explicitly is generally expected to reach in every practical sense least worth of 0.020 in September 2023, which is very huge. The VET cost could generally arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 0.02 to $2 with the especially normal exchanging worth of 0.020 all through 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. Vechain that value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Vechain is generally expected to arrive at a typical cost of 0.021, but the coin might swap between a type of limit of 0.023 and a very least of 0.021, which is really large. The value of Vechain November 2023. The extremely normal cost of Vechain that could frequently go to 0.022 toward the end of November 2023 in an unpretentious manner that could for the most part be exchanging around and in every practical sense greatest worth of 0.024 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of 0.021 so veterally has a by and large total market cap of 1429841,101 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 35,689,006. The Vechain that cost for December 2023 may sort of arrive at a really least worth of 0.022 while the genuinely greatest determined cost in every practical sense is around 0.025 or so they truly thought. The kind of typical cost for VET certainly is generally expected to by and large reach 0.023 and December 2023 or so they fundamentally thought. Vechain sort of pass cost examination. With an expansion in its exchanging volume, a Vechain has essentially demonstrated areas of strength for essentially a potential recently. And this could be a somewhat great opportunity to really dive right in and contribute extremely further appearance how VET could by and large be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of 0.021 with the base expected cost of 0.019. Incredibly, inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of that in a genuine sense decreased by 25.062 wiping out an astounding in every practical sense, nor this unexpected down indicates that the coin is currently in plunge, hinting that it can be an essentially decent most likely acquisition of valuable open door for most likely rapid interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90-day cost change is around 14.51, and the cost is explicitly ringed from an exceedingly least lovely typical cost of 0.021 to the most lovely typical cost of 0.023, with the essentially beyond 90-day actually demonstrating how Vechain value expectation. The cost of Vechain is somewhat expected to generally reach at any rate worth of 0.020 in September 2023. Which is pretty large. In the most recent 4 months, Vechain truly has exhibited a developing pattern, certainly additional appearance. How Vechain value expectation in September 2023. The price of Vechain is specifically expected to reach an all-time low of 0.020, or so they thought. As a result, we particularly anticipate that comparable segments of the market explicitly were very popular at that time, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As per the sort of most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Vechain in every way that truly matters has expanded from 4 months in an especially enormous manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job and its cost in a very significant manner. The coin is up by 16.04%, the explicit by in large normal cost of the coin was around 0.016. And the essentially least truly normal cost of by and large was around 0.016. They clearly believed Vechain value number after 4 months or so. 2023 facts. What will really be Vechain kind of worth in 2023, which is genuinely huge. The vet cost especially is determined to particularly arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 0.025, with a particularly least cost of 0.022 toward the end of 2023, showing how that in reality has an essentially total market cap of 1,429,841,100. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next? The SEC wants more money to deal with fraud and risks in the cryptocurrency market. The head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler, has asked Congress for more money to deal with risks in the crypto markets.